It's no secret that Excel has been around for quite some time. But how can such an application be around for 37 years? I'll give you a hint. It begins with an M and ends with a Y.
Money!
Excel and other spreadsheet applications' primary role back then was to replace the columnar pads of yesteryear and quicken and automate the accounting processes of today. Excel has been doing such a great job at it that even after 37 years, 63% of companies still consider Excel as a vital accounting tool up to this day. And Excel seems to be here to stay. With that, here's some essential Excel skills for accountants in 2022. The Flash is known for a lot of things, but perhaps he's best known for his incredible speed. He can run so fast that he can bend the rules of time. Legend has it that his time-bending speed even goes as far as your spreadsheets, allowing you to save countless hours. I present to you the Flash Fill. The Flash Fill has a superpower. It automatically detects patterns in your data. Suppose you have some phone numbers you want to format with dashes in between them. You can just give Excel a proper sample in the first cell, then hit the Flash Fill button or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-E, and it automatically formats the other cells under the sample cell. You can do the same for text values like email addresses or extract certain elements from entire sentences. Flash Fill alongside a mastery of keyboard shortcuts will surely decrease the time you're dreading working on a spreadsheet as an accountant. It goes without saying that accountants deal with a lot of numbers day in and day out, so it's kinda easy to get lost in the sauce.
You also get lost in the sauce.
That's why it's important that we know how to format our numbers correctly. Adding in commas to separate thousands from hundred thousands to millions can go a long way. It'll be easier to spot errors, and it's totally easy to do. Check out our custom number formatting guide video for more information. The end goal of the long, arduous hours of number crunching financial data is to generate reports or financial statements. These financial statements are what the higher-ups use to make business decisions, which kinda means that aggregating those numbers are pretty important. Luckily, Excel has two neat tools to not only help you aggregate data, but they also help you automate generating reports. These are the tables and the pivot tables. Tables were introduced back in Excel 2007 and allow you to convert a dataset into a formatted Excel table. Within this table, you can change the formatting, sort, filter, and get different totals for your data columns. A really cool thing about Excel tables is that whenever you add a new line of data, the Excel table automatically expands to include it. This, paired with named ranges inside formulas, makes workflows super easy and super fast. Pivot tables, on the other hand, take your datasets and automatically calculates, summarizes, and analyzes them for you to help you generate insightful reports in an instant. So you can see trends and patterns easier. This, paired with Excel tables that we were talking about a while ago, allows you to create fully automated reports generation tools. Now, reports are great, but we all know business people like seeing colorful shapes. For that, it's also important for accountants to master all the charts, graphs, and similar tools in order to present the reports that they worked so hard on. Suppose you've got your pivot table set to the parameters you want for your report. You can create a pivot table immediately from it. You can choose among the wide selection of chart types and styles. You can even choose to add slicers so your dashboards are more interactive. Of course, you can also do these on normal datasets that aren't from pivot tables. But did you know that you can even add charts inside your cells? These mini charts are called Sparklines. They live inside your cells and are used to quickly show trends over time, based on the variations in the dataset. This is really cool since now you can begin the storytelling of your financial story immediately while you're viewing the data. Let's face it, accounting work can get repetitive. You clock in, open Excel, import financial data, transfer to your file, add the totals, double check, create the report, then clock out. The repetitive nature of accounting jobs is what allows it to be so easily automated. Once you've got some stability and consistency when it comes to the things you're accounting for, you can easily create templates for your different workflows, saving you hundreds of hours. What's even better than that? Getting a spreadsheet template from Simple Sheets. With over 100 pre-built and smart templates for any business function, including accounting and finance. Be sure to check out our accounting and finance bundle that you can find only at simplesheets.co. That's a few essential Excel skills for accountants. I know there's thousands more that we didn't talk about in this video, so feel free to share them below in the comment section. But if you did find this video useful, let us know by leaving us a like and make sure you're subscribed to Simple Sheets for more Excel and Google Sheets, tips, and templates. I'll see you on the next one.